Hello everyone, my name is Maria and you're watching QDAO video tutorial, and today we're going to talk about Pancake Bunny. Have a short introductory video using our Q DeFi rating platform. So let's not waste time and start. So at first, let's take a look on Q DeFi rating platform in general. If you have never heard of it in our videos, I will have kind of short introductory words about it. So it is a platform built especially for you to do your own research. I always tell you, do your own research before going into something. Be sure, be on safe side, and so on and so on. So that's why we decided to create a platform to make it the easiest way for you. I mean, exploring and discovering some facts and so on and so on. So everything you can find here. Pools, yield farming pools, projects, research center, and so on and so on, about us and so on. So if you are interested, you can take a look on qdefirating.com, and we are going to talk and return to Pancake Bunny. So if you go here to project, you can find this project here, and it is the main page of the Pancake Bunny. So let's take a short what is it? What is it about? Pancake Bunny is a new and rapidly growing DeFi yield aggregator that is used for PancakeSwap. The Pancake Bunny protocol empowers farmers to leverage their yield-seeking tendencies to optimize yield compounding strategy on by BSC. We are providing, they are provided, the team, strategies for various needs of farmers, from the highest yield seekers to the risk reward optimizing smart investors. So everything you can find here, short introductory video. So all you need to do is just go here and find this project. So total value locked is great. You can see it here, nearly 200 billion, and market cap of governance token. So let's take a look, of course, on the website. So you don't need to Google, you just go on Q DeFi rating and find it here. And I have already opened it. I have already connected my wallet, as on every DeFi thing you need to connect to wallet. I have already done this. And first page that I can see, it is farm. So here we can see different pools with their APR. There was a small update of the interface, as I can see here. So a lot of interesting. We won't go in detail, so you can see that the numbers are great, and if you're interested, of course, you can enter it. Let's talk about ZAP. You can use it like swap, for example, to change it like this. If you want, for example, to change your Bunny, it's a governance token. We're going to talk about it a little bit later, to USDT. So you can use it like this. But what is more, why it is not called swap, it is ZAP, because you can change directly on LPs. For example, you have Bunny, or let's USDT, and you just want to receive LPs. You don't want to spend a lot of gas and so on and so on. So you just take a look here and choose LPs that you would like to receive, and change it. It is very easy. You really don't have to do a lot of transactions and so on and so on. So for example, on PancakeSwap, you would have to confirm, then send, then receive LPs and so on. So spending a lot of time and money. Okay, on Binance Smart Chain, it's not a lot, but still spending. And if you have small amounts of money, it is of course valuable for you. Here you can change it on LPs directly, and I think it's great. Yes, here we can find that it is on Binance Smart Chain. I forgot to tell you about this. Why Binance Smart Chain is so great and popular? Of course, I think most of you know, because it is, because of course, first thing is gas fees on Ethereum. They are great, really. So, and if you want to swap, for example, we were talking that swap is great because you can change in easiest way. Don't need to pass any KYC or enter the exchange. So everything is decentralized decentralized and so on and so on. But now the gas fees are so much higher than they were before that you can't allow to swap really small amount of money. It is not really good for you, convenient and so on. So that's why Binance Smart Chain became really popular recently. And most of the projects that are appearing on the market, they have both or they are run on Binance Smart Chain. Anyway, so what is more? Here what you can see. Total locked change, communities and social medias. Even you don't need to go on the website. Links, useful links, a source code and tags if you would like, for example, to find kind of the same project. If you are a newcomer and you don't know, for example, what is it blockchain or what is it governance token, you can just click here and define it in kind of FAQ. So everything is suitable for everyone, for newcomer, for professional, crypto lover, and so on. And so I think it's great. So let's return to the website. Vote, of course, we all know what is it about. I won't even waste the time on it. And wiki, I think it's like FAQ. So if you are interested in projects for detailed research, you can use not only our Q DeFi rating platform, but also the website itself and find the tokenomics and so on, governance thing.
Are you still watching? Then please reward our efforts with a like.
So yeah, there is also a rating on this website. So most of the ratings are now low because they are made automatically. What does it mean? Here you can find all the parameters that why is it so why it is 2.1. And also there is a crowd rating that is located here. So if you are a part of the project, you can find the project that you are mostly interested in. If it's not, for example, Pancake Bunny, you can find your beloved project in the projects here and vote for it. For example, how can you do it? You can support and issue solving. So. Product usability, I like it. Team and advisors, I can find them, for example. ROI, yeah. And vision, okay. Not the best but not the worst. So, and you can do it anonymously or you can log in with your MetaMask and do it with your nickname. So recently the team has added more functions to the project. It's like coins, pools, and so on. So audits, and so on and so on, but they are under maintenance, sorry. So we are working on them really hard for you to find everything you need, every statistic and so on, even without visiting the project's website. So what I like also news that you want to know, for example, want to watch more videos. My video is kind of introductory. You would like to know more, you can go here and find. And the best, okay, but the most useful for most of you, I think, function, it is chat. So we all know that a lot of projects are now afraid of honest opinion. For example, if you are talking about their project, not in kind of words and their in charts or on forums, they are blocking you, they are deleting your messages and so on and so on. So that's why the team created the chat function where you can leave your comment, ask questions, for example, use it like forum, or just leave a comment or feedback kind of about the project. So you can use a nickname or stay anonymous and leave your comment here. Everything is really easy. You can do it under the project itself, so you don't need, for example, I like forums, but you know, sometimes it's very hard to find the information about the project itself. You need to visit a lot of pages and so on and so on. So everything here is easy. Project chat related to this project, and that's it. So if you want to, you can leave a comment here. And let's return. I promised you to talk about governance token. So here we can see it. It is Bunny. We can see that market cap, no information. So the current price is a bit less than $90 and it is growing. Yeah, let's do it like this. Yeah, so it's recently and a new project. I mean, recently launched. So that's why we can't really analyze anything here, but still we can see that the price was much lower in the beginning, and now it is having, I think, sideback actions, and it is growing. So maybe you should wait till it will be a little bit less and then buy it if you are interested, of course. And after my video or your own research, you decided to enter this project, or just, I don't know, want to follow it. I think anyway, following it, track and then use, I think it's the most useful advice for crypto lover, because if you are not into the market deeply, you don't understand what is happening, I think it's a little bit worthless. So that's why we are here. We are doing these videos especially for you, and using this platform also. You can use it. It will be very useful, very easy, user friendly, and so on and so on. Okay, I guess that's it as an introductory video for today. If you have any comments, you can leave it under this video, or if you have some feedback about this project, you can leave it here. So have a great time and goodbye.
QDAO DeFi is product developed by Platinum Software Development Company, one of the most trusted and experienced engineering blockchain teams in APAC for DeFi developments. If you want to create any DeFi app on any blockchain technology such as Polkadot, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, we are happy to give you 1 hour free consultation and share our experience. Contact us right now.